to Gordon Guitar, OneRepublic. He's dreaming of West Coast. So that is what we all do, isn't it? So let's start right away with this cool song. 5 chords only, no need for capo. So let's start first with this C sharp chord. Right? So you need to bar the 4th fret here from the A string and down. That means 5 strings, and the rest will be 6 on D string, 6 on G, and 6 on B. That is C sharp. Now you can just slide up here to this next chord, the A. That means open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Alright, then we have the F sharp minor. So you need to bar the 2nd fret now, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A, 4th on D. Alright, then next is the G sharp chord. So you bar all strings on the 4th fret now, and the rest will be 6 on A string, 6 on D string, and 5th on G. Alright, so these 4 chords is pretty much what we're gonna handle for kind of 99%, and we will use one E, one single time. So we need to learn that chord as well. So E is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So there you have your 5 chords. Yeah, so the first part here is the intro. Okay, so you're gonna play the chord progression that goes round and round almost through the entire song. That is the C sharp. You're gonna play 1 down for that one, and you go to A, play 1 down for that one, and then you're gonna play the F sharp minor, 1 down, and the next chord is the G sharp chord, 1 down. Alright, and then starts the actual song, you can say, with the strumming. Alright, so it goes in the same chord progression there, C sharp, A, F sharp minor, and G sharp. Alright, so if we have the C sharp, since that is the first chord, we'll look at the strumming. It goes like this. That will suit for this song. So what is this? This is down, down, up, down. Okay, we can start there. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Okay, and we continue with down, up, down. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And we add this last part, which is down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That will be one strumming round. So like that. So now we will play one strumming round for each chord. So this chord progression is still C sharp, A, F sharp minor, and G sharp. So let's go for that. A, F sharp minor, G sharp. Let's go for a one round more. So that this chord progression here with the strumming is pretty much what is going on in this song. I can just mention the exceptions from this one. Like we just mentioned here, the intro will be with only one down for one chord progression. So one down per chord. Then in the second chorus, about 1 minute and 15 seconds in, instead of playing the F sharp minor in that at that timestamp there, 1:15, you're gonna play the E instead. So that will be, instead of playing F sharp, you replace that with an E. So that will be, the chord progression will be C sharp, A, and now comes the E, and then G sharp. And that happens about 1:15 in. So that's that. And then we have in the third chorus, about 2 minutes and 35 seconds in, we have also there one round of the chord progression with only one down. So not strumming there, only one down for these 4 chords, and then it starts strumming immediately right after, and that is what is going on till the end of this song. So that is basically OneRepublic's West Coast. So great. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet, helps me a lot, and play tuned.